right now, it's the only time for another year that we're going to get lightning in this state. We only get it once a year. And for being in Washington, this shit is fucking crazy. It's fucking pouring. I'm sitting out on my front porch, just staring at this beauty. We don't normally get lightning. It's only once a fucking year. Dude. Guys, that was fucking huge. Right now, I'm scared for my mom and my stepdad Shane, because they're out there camping in a tent with metal bars in it. Now, holy fuck. But anyways, dude, I literally just started school. This is the weekend after the first week of school, and it's just fucking going. Sometimes I wish it hit the school, mainly so that way we wouldn't have to go to school for another week. But holy fuck. Right now, I'm fucking cold, but my adrenaline's kicking in really fast, because I don't know if a lightning bolt's just gonna come straight at me. Holy fuck. I feel bad for any plane that's flying right now, because any plane that's flying right now is probably fucked. They are probably gonna have to be way above the fucking clouds, because if they're not, they are screwed. But all the lightning is hitting out by the ocean, which is why you don't see it anywhere else. But oh, you saw that? It wasn't just me that just saw that. We all saw it. We saw the lightning itself, not just a flash, but a legit bolt of lightning. Now, I've seen a legit bolt of lightning. I've seen red ones. I've seen fucking purple ones. But seeing a legit blue streak of lightning in my state is very uncommon. Holy fuck. You can hear how loud these are. Like, there's, like, no stopping this. Like, I am sorry to say this, but this is probably the last video I'm posting for another year. Like, this shit is crazy. I'm gonna run this for another like 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Well, not for another 8 minutes and 30 seconds, but this video is probably gonna go on for... Dude! If any of y'all want to, y'all can play this back in like half the speed and see the shit I'm seeing in slow motion. But, oh my god, you hear that, right? That means that like multiple bolts of lightning hit the fucking ground. Like, this shit, I wouldn't even go out there.
Something.
Shut up. I saw a bolt of lightning. I saw it, legit.
Dude, yeah, like you can hear the sirens going off in the background. Like there's fire.
Yeah, there's gonna be fires. There's gonna be a lot of shit. There's gonna be
so many
freaking
fires.
houses without power. It's probably gonna strike some ships out in the sea. That was fucking huge.
Yeah, dude. Earlier, like
But the
earlier,
cool thing about posting this shit to YouTube is that you can watch it again and play it back in half speed and see everything that happens.
It's like,
Like, this only happens once a year.
and it's like the thing. It's like, actually, I actually started seeing it earlier, but it just now started actually popping off. Like,
Yeah,
it was
no,
little
I saw
flashes.
a little, it started when I got in the shower. I was in the shower, I was laying down taking a bath, and I look up, and then I see, and like, I'm sitting there for like 5 minutes, and then I
Woo.
see the first one.
It's like most of them are all happening over there.
Yeah, if we see a bolt of lightning just hit the ground right there, I'm ending this fucking video. Like, that's like right in front of us, not even like 20 feet.
Oh, it's like, shit.
If it hits in the middle-
house.
No, I'm slightly scared. I've
I'm
never
just
wanted to
scared.
fuck with lightning, which is why I don't fuck with anyone who believes in God or Zeus or anything like that, because I'm fucking afraid that if I do fuck with someone who believes in that shit,
Ooh, that was
something,
literally right over there.
lightning's going to hit me. That's how fucking scared I am of people who worship God and Zeus and like believe in Thor and all this shit.
They just be like, I smite you. You just get zapped the next day.
Yeah, it's all headed that way. It's going northwest. I look on the Doppler.
Whoa, that was a.
I caught that one on video. Dude, you can hear it.
Waves sound like
It's like.
I'm sorry, I would not be
floods.
driving in this.
waves sound like when you go out surfing.
Yeah, I would never
Dude,
drive
that's
in
like
this.
Godzilla, dude. It's
No.
like you watch Godzilla rise
No.
out of nowhere.
I wouldn't even, if this happened during the day and I'm on a fucking school bus, fuck that.
I'd be like, ding ding,
Fuck
may I get off now?
that.
You'd be the first person to open the hatch.
Dude, I'm
and
literally
get out of there.
like, I sit at the seat where the freaking side door is. The second I see fucking lightning, I'm jumping out the side door and fucking running home.
Oh, if you see one.
Fuck
you
anybody
know.
else on that goddamn bus.
If you
I'm
s-
getting my. I saw it again.
Oh yeah, it's literally
Right
all,
over there
It's literally
was where
all
where we
over
saw the
there.
bolt of lightning.
Woo.
Like, it's all over the ocean. It's pouring even harder now. I'm scared for anyone who's driving right now.
Oh yeah, I really do hope my mom stays at her friend's house now.
Dude, she's going to, because if you drive in this, you have a high risk of
Oh,
getting
yeah,
hit.
now-
Like, it's hailing now.
Yeah, here comes one.
It's fucking hailing.
I say we get into
you
the
can
doorway.
see how fucking fast it's going. But holy fuck. Anyways, I'm gonna end it right here, mainly because I want to go back inside and hopefully not get hit with lightning while I'm inside. Like, I don't want the house to get hit, but
Mainly the house.
well, I know the breaker's gonna blow at some point tonight.